Hey everyone, Neil here, back with another episode. In this episode, I'm going to teach you how to convert hexadecimal to decimal. It's going to be a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Aren't you so excited? No, I don't want color.com. I want colorpicker. Around. Colorpicker.com. Sweet. Sweet. Alright. Why is this relevant? Because we're going to create a biome. Yep. We're going to create a biome. I've actually started tinkering around with this already. And I've heard some rumors that, like, people have a really hard time getting biomes into the default world. I've seen a lot of tutorials where people end up creating their own world type. I'm going to show you how you can do that without having to create a world type, because it's really easy. Yeah. Blocks. Biomes. ng.init. So we're going to create a class, and where this will actually be under world gen, and we'll name it .biome. Biome. Yourself. Yeah, I'm talking to you. I'm at home solo right now. Public. Static. Biome Gen Base. Biome Summer Fields. That's what I'm calling this. Biome. Public. Static. Not final. Void init. And we are going to have a method called register biomes. Easy squeezy. We're going to create that method. Like so. And what are we going to do? We are going to say that biome summer fields is going to be equal to new biome summer fields, and we're going to give this an ID dot set block name, and we are going to name this summer fields, like so. Why the ID? There's something like 30 some odd, like 35, 36, 37 biomes currently in Minecraft, so I choose 50 because it kind of gives me a little bit of play in case I decide to add a bunch more in there. But you got to have an ID. So let's go ahead and create this class. We're going to go ahead and keep it under our World Gem Biome package. So there we are, and we are going to extends Biome Gen Base. We're going to spell extends right. We're going to import. We are going to add a constructor, and int is going to be ID. And what else are we going to have in here? Well, we have some customization options available to us. We're going to say this dot set height, like so. But to do that, we actually need to give what our height is. So we will say private static final vaginal. What? Private static final height is going to be biome height equals new height 0.1 float, 0.2 float. It's not going to be very treacherous or rocky. And then we're going to have biome height be our height right there. We're going to say this dot set color. Now this is where we can get kind of crazy. Here's the color that I have set for my biome, 9093809. So what we can do is we can come back over here to our hex converters, and we'll actually do decimal to hex. So we'll pop that in there, we'll hit convert, then we can take this hex value over here to color picker, we can put it in and see what color it is. So there we go. We're going to go a little extreme here, and we are going to make our color like that. So we will take the hex version of it over here to our converter, and we're actually going to do hex to decimal this time. We'll pop that in, we'll hit convert, we'll take our number, and we will paste it in like so. Set temperature, set rainfall. Set temperature. The first one is going to be 0.9 float. You can do 0.98 float if you wanted to, I suppose. 1.0 float, like so. And then we're going to say what our watercolor is. This dot set. This dot. Now watercolor multiplier. And here's the color that I had before. Decimal to hex. That's what I want. I had this one. So let's take a look at this. So there's kind of this dark blue. Let's make it this vibrant pink color. Come back over here. We'll convert the hex to decimal. Grab this number, and we will plunk it in right here, like so. We have 3 quick methods that we're going to do, and we want an @ override on each of these. We're going to have a public int get biome grass color. And this will be int x, int y, int z. And we are going to return the same color that we had above. This one. This is what we want our grass color to be. It's a really crazy orange color that we picked. We'll copy the override since we're going to use that a little bit. And we'll paste that there, and we are going to say public int get biome foliage color. And this is going to be int x, int y, int z. And we are going to return. What color did I have before? Decimal to hex. I had this one, and this looks like that. We'll keep that. Yep, we'll keep that. Like so. And this one, we're just going to tinker around with a little bit. Oh, I thought I still had my override in there. Override, public int get sky color. And I like this. I want to show you this because it's cool. Get sky color by temp. And we're going to have float par 1. This is pretty badass. And we're going to return 0. I'm all geeking out about it. We're going to return 0. So there's our biome class. That is pretty straightforward. Did we extend Biome Gen Base? We did. Why is it not liking this? Set block name. Set biome name. There we go. There are some things that we need to do in here to get this registered and into the game. So, what we're going to do here is underneath this, we are going to register the biome type. We're going to say biome dictionary dot register biome type. It's going to be biome summer fields, and the type will be forest, like so. Next thing that we are going to do is get it into the game. We're going to say biome manager dot. What kind of biome is this going to be? This is going to be a warm biome. Dot add, and we are going to say new biome entry, biome summer fields. Yes, biome summer fields. We're going to give it a weight of 10, and we're good. We just need to import this biome entry. Sweet, that gets it into the game. That right there. Now, there's something else that we need to do here, and because otherwise we're just going to cruise the fuck around, and it's going to take us forever to find this. So, under Biome Manager, we have something that says remove spawn biome, and so we will say Biome Gen Base. We want to remove the beach. So that way the beach is not a viable spawn biome. But there's a gazillion of these. So what I'll do is this I actually will paste in the description. Tell them all about it, Sophie. So I pasted all of these in here, and then the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to say biome manager dot add spawn biome, and we want that to be our biome. So we will hit save. And let's hit play, and I actually want to watch this as we're going along here. This takes a little bit of trial and error, I've found. Create new world, watch here, see that? Unable to find spawn biome. Which means that this is going to load up and we're not going to see our biome. We are not. Come on. So what we are going to do is we are going to save and quit, and we are going to delete. We're going to do another biome. We're going to create new world, and once again, unable to find spawn biome. This is all just straight up desert. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. Hope you guys didn't have anything better to do. Obviously you don't if you're watching me. So there you go. Ah, didn't get the error. Aha. Does that mean profit? Yay. So here's our biome. See the sky? This is sky color by temperature. Returns 0. That's crazy looking, huh? It's like permanently Twilight. And by Twilight, I mean like Twilight Princess, not that shitty teenage novel. See? Blue. Come on. Show us the darkness. I guess as we gradually get farther and farther into the biome. That's cool. Alright, so we've got our color right here. We got some pigoos rolling around. We've got ore spawning in here. That's good. We can also alternate this top block and the filler block if we want to. I'm just going to use dirt and dirt. Important thing to note is if you change your graphic settings to fast rather than fancy, the sides of your blocks will still be that green color. No way around that. No way around that. Our foliage color is the same as our grass color too. I thought we said biome foliage color was going to be something else. It's going to be like this seafoam green. I don't know. It's a start. We're going to get into biome. What do you call it? Biome customization. I want to make a biome decorator that we can use, like our own custom biome decorator for our mod. But here it is, short and simple. Get in, start creating a whole bunch of your own biomes. Oh, you know what? There is my foliage color. It is that seafoam green. See that with the leaves? Yep. Yep. Looks like it spawned right on that one block right there. Interesting. Anyways, that's it. Well, that's not it. Oh, yeah, there's our watercolor. I thought our watercolor was supposed to be crazy, too. What was our watercolor going to be? I don't entirely recall. Anyways, we'll get more into biome customization later. You can create the biome. You can get the biome into the game. There you go. Until next time, this is Neil. Have a great afternoon.